Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome! Happy Friday. Almost Saturday. We'll get there. But yeah, we did it. Made it through the week. Back to game development. Or more accurately, WordPress game engine development. And we're working on a mini game. I got a couple things I want to do first. Because in order to play this mini game, you need to engage with the monitors. And I want an indicator. You know what I mean? When you go up to it, you need to know that it's actionable, right? Otherwise, you won't know what to do. Because if you can interact with something, it has an indicator. That being said, the indicator has to be conditional. Same as starting the minigame itself. So I wonder if I can add a flag or something. I mean, I think I can. Because we already have this, which starts the minigame. Right? Oh no, this is after you finish the minigame. Here's the engaging programming step. Where's the start of the minigame? That's right here. No, that's dragging. Where's the start? Here we go. Engage minigame logic. So I should have logic. Yeah, here it is. So this lets me know whether I can interact with it. Indie. Thanks, bud. I forgot I had animations like that. It's been such a long time. What's up, man? Welcome back. How you doing? Long time no see. How's everything going? How's school? You enjoying yourself? Yeah. School. Yeah, school's hard, man. I get it. Well, it's good to hear your text. Your grades are always great. I'm not surprised about that. Are you 7th grade? Is that what you're doing now? 7th? Or is it 6th? I forget. 7th, okay. Yeah, my kid just started middle school. She's in 6th. And she got a wake-up call. The fact that there's homework every day. Something you got to get used to. Your birthday's in 2 months. Yeah, and I know Kuzo just had his birthday. Well, that's cool. You got anything planned? What you guys doing? Somewhere fun. So, I think... How do I know? I need this logic when I touch it, basically. So I might have to just steal this. And then go back here. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to do that. And then add the indicator logic here. Well, no, not here. Because this is when you actually touch it. You don't get homework because, yeah. Always smart. It's schoolwork. Sorry. My wireless mic. I forget about it sometimes. Meta Ray-Bans. Very cool, man. Yeah, I got a pair for when we went on vacation. And they're great. I mean, because we suck at taking pictures when we're out. So I just go everywhere I go. And it's great. I mean, it's phone quality photos. And the AI is all right, you know. Hey, you know, asking Meta questions and stuff is kind of cool. Like, what am I looking at? It comes in handy sometimes. I did some translations. I went to Europe, did some translating on, you know, menus and walls and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you got to get them. They're great. And they look great. I already had a pair of Wayfarer, you know, Ray-Bans that broke. So it's like they weren't that far off price-wise. Got a cat. That's awesome. Got a cat. Very cool. How's that going? Kitten? Or like an old rescue? Oh, did you? Let me see. Oh, nice. Let's go. I need to add a cat reaction to that. Oh my god. Very cool. Looks like it's got a perpetual booger right there. Very cool. Super cute. Sweepy. Oh, you got a little raccoon tail too. I like it. She's one. Okay. Nice, man. Hell yeah. That's great. Feisty. Yeah, that makes sense. Ooh, let's get some stream avatars going. Shit, it's been so long since I've had an OG stop by. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you have to click refresh now. OBS updated. And it changes. There we go. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen Indy in my chat. Hey, Sawyer, Sprocket, what's going on? Welcome to the chat, my friend. Welcome to my chat. Welcome to my chat. Awesome. Glad you're doing well. Hope you would get the song reference. Oh, yeah. I did, immediately. Stained is my generation. Good job. I don't even know how to play that. Oh, nice. Hey, no problem. I mean, I wrote all the songs I play, so it's pretty damn easy. Especially when you've been playing them for years. Can you tell me something? When was the first time you played the piano? Oh, that's a good question. So I started playing when I was around 7. I took lessons as a kid, like everybody did back then. I did 2 years of piano lessons, and the last year they realized that I wasn't reading the music and I was just memorizing the songs. So my mom said she wouldn't pay for it anymore. I was like, whatever, man. So I just started writing my own songs, and yeah, it's been fine. I played keyboards in a lot of bands, and you know, just my own stuff, and it helps a lot with scoring music. I do all the video game music and stuff. Guess how old I am? 10 out of 1. What? Are you 10? Because if you're 10 years old, that statement is confusing me. Ooh, you got a pair of sick headphones? Hell yeah. What kind? Got some Raycons? Sawyer Sprocket. You are 10 years old. Okay, you're 10. Got it. Ooh, let me see your headphones. Yeah, I've noticed that I only get teens, preteens, and elementary school grade kids watching my stream, apparently. What are those? I've never seen headphones like that. There's no marking. Cool, though. They look very noise canceling, which I cannot do, you know. I always have to have, like, one ear out so I can hear what's going on. Do I have Roblox? I do! Yeah, my kid plays Roblox constantly, so I have no choice. Hi-Fi. Oh, they're open back. Okay. Cool. Sick, man. Good sound quality. So I pulled down the database, so I'm going to go to local so that I can get this indicator crap going. Yeah, she plays a lot of... Dandy's World just had their Halloween update, so she's trying to do some Dandy's World. It sounds like... Oh, cool. I don't even know what that is, but I like it. Alright, cool. Now we're local. You have to... Can I add him? Oh, it's a her. I only have daughters. And she has enough random ass friends on Roblox. I'm sure she wouldn't want more. I mean, she probably wouldn't care, but yeah, Danny's World, a lot of 99 Nights in the Forest, and what's that one where you like the never ending fucking, it's like 100 floors you have to survive. Airplane, ooh. Like an airplane simulator. That's kind of cool. So I need to do this before this. Yeah, because this is for weapon health. So this needs to be an. Okay, here we go. Indicator. Yes, yes, yes. This is what I need. I need indicator. When am I indicating? When are you indicating? I wonder. Right here, indicator. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Blah, 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 overlap. What? Oh. Explore sign. False. Why am I triggering an indicator? If you touch a sign. Oh, this is if you touch a sign. Okay, okay. All right, well, let's do the same thing here. So this is indicate if you touch mini game item trigger. No, it's like a deer game. You have to level up your file. Then you're going to get food, survive, and you have to. And you have to be 99 nights enough first. Okay, cool. Thanks for the username. I'll keep it in mind. Hey, Dak Dude! What? The gang's all here. We got Dak Dude and Indy. I like it. Yeah, we got an indicator. I'm going to indicate that. Hold on. I want to see if I can get 2. Can I get both your guys' stream avatar moving around? It's been a while. Well, so far, not even one is moving. Refresh. I know you guys are going to probably bail soon. Oh. Oh. Nice. Hanging out. Okay, sorry. Sometimes the music's in me. I got the music in me. Okay, here we go. If this is happening, trigger indicator. On the value. Yeah. But we need to figure out if this is even going to work. So value is item. So value. This is all very important. Value. And the map char, yeah, that's fine. All right, did I screw it? What did I do? I screwed up something. This and this. Oh, this. Or this. Or this and this. Okay. Oh. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. Your phone can never die. Don't ever say that. Man, 4 viewers on Twitch. This is an event. Yay, tabaxi. Okay, let's see if this works. That's your thingy. Hopefully it starts moving. You did it. Let's go. All right, let's see if the indicator works. All right, I gotta refresh. This is not moving. You get to rewind my stream? Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, I forgot they added that. That's sick. There we go. Stream avatars on the move. Oh, look, it worked. Indicator. Oh, wait. No, it's not going away, though. Whoops. All right, let's... Okay, no, so this is just making the indicator pop up even if I don't touch it, apparently. Save up. You got it. My Twitch account has, let's see, it has 143,424 dormants. Never used one. No, I've used Scotch Time a few times, actually. Okay, so wait. Technically, this shouldn't just be hitting. So let me refresh again, like away from it, and see if the indicator just keeps showing. All right, refresh. Okay, so it's not showing up. That's good. Okay, good. So it is working. It's in a weird place, but it is working. So let me make sure that the trigger goes away. How do I do that? I thought it does that automatically. Where's the indicator removal? That's right here? No, that's trigger. Oh, remove trigger. No, that's trigger. Where's the indicator? The classic logo. Whoa, old school, bruh. Hey, did you see I have new shirts? Check it out. Orbem.shop for all your Orbem order needs. You've been playing Cookie Clicker. Oh no. You can beat it. Check it out. Got some Escape to Orbem shirts. No, you're definitely not supposed to be playing that. So I have on Amazon like an Escape to Orbem like original T-shirt before I even had the game called that, and it had a map on the back like this. So I wanted a new one that was like better quality, and it's got like a kind of a pixel pattern on the text. It's kind of hard to see. So I made these, which came out pretty good, I think. Yeah, see, it's kind of like I mean, it looks kind of plaid, to be honest, but yeah, I got a V-neck and a regular, so I bought those because I wanted them. I only make merch when I want it. Speaking of merch, don't you forget about Flex Keys for all your flexing needs. Anyways. Okay. So how do I get rid of the indicator? Cookie clicker. Oh wait, is this it? Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, see, it's supposed to just go away after you stop touching it. So that's weird. Yeah, remove class. Knee slap tees. The hell's that? Funny t-shirt company? 12th month. Wow, has it really been a year? That's crazy. I am not happy about this. How come it triggers but doesn't go away when I'm not touching it? I don't like it. I don't like it. It must be getting hit. Am I hitting something? Am I hitting something right now? I guess I'm override. I'm hitting something at all times? Like what? No, I'm not. Will it go away if I touch something else? It should. Oh, there's nothing else to touch. It's a website of funny t-shirts. All right, let's see. Oh my god. These are inappropriate t-shirts. Nice. Oh wait, it went away. How'd that happen? So it goes here. How did I make it go away? Did I get far enough away? No. Interesting. I don't know how to make the indicator go away. If your game isn't done before GTA 6. I mean, the demo should be done. Yeah, I mean, if it's not... I gotta finish this shit. I'm very close. At least to finishing, like, the demo functionality, because after we do the programming game, then it goes to the cutscene that brings me to my condo, and then when I get to the condo, that's a tutorial of how to use the katana, so we'll do that, and that gets us into having weapons. That might take a little while. I don't know, man. We're gonna get there. Back when I was working on the binary computer stuff, yeah. Yeah, that's what we're working on right now, implementing that. Luckily, I already have final assets for that. You know. How do I... Uh-oh. I got it working. Uh-oh. How come it's not working anymore? Dash no bueno. Yeah, I got it working in production. What did I do? Is the indicator breaking it? Yeah, see? Pops up here. I gotta fix a bunch of stuff. For some reason, the wires get smaller as you move it, which is really weird. Same here, like it's just like giant and it gets smaller. Do it. Lurk, my friend. So, indicator works. Oh, I can't punch. Okay. That would do it. I mean, I guess I'm not supposed to be able to punch, but it's supposed to start the game. Where's the interact with whatever? Interact. Right here. So, engage minigame. Oh no. Yeah, this should be hitting. I wonder why it's not hitting anymore. because we have draggable. I mean, I pulled this from production, so it should be the same. The only thing I changed was adding that indicator thing. Does seem like the indicator thing's not working properly though, so we gotta fix that. Make talk. Let's see if I remove this, if it works again. I don't know why that would have any effect, but that's the only thing I changed. Okay. Indicator is breaking it apparently. You've been messing around with Sora 2? Yeah, is it? I do not. Sora is a ridiculous program. Okay. So it seems like it's stopping. Oh, you know what? It's because I'm not adding engage to it, right? Yeah. Right. Or hit, I guess. No, hit would be not what I want. Let's add false equals value dot class name contains engage. So let's add engage. I think it just keeps hitting it over and over. That's the problem. Add engage. Okay, there we go. Now it should work. What? How could you keep working on this without getting unmotivated? Eddie, what's going on? That's a good question. I get unmotivated sometimes. So far not with the game though. I don't know why. You know, I think it's a two-part thing. It's like my interest in developing the WordPress game engine and my interest in working on the game. And I'm constantly being bombarded with game stuff. You know, my wife's a major gamer, and I'm just like always like, ooh, yeah, I want to I should definitely add a feature or something like that. And I just get like more inspiration that makes me want to work on it. You cats on your desk? She should be confused by this sweet song. There you go. All right. Now this should work if I built it. Did I build it? How do you manage your process not to get lost when building something so vast? Stanley, great question. Fuck, I get lost all the time. You know what I end up remembering is by like opening my IDE and seeing where I am in the code. I'm like, oh, that's right, I was working on that random bug or whatever. But I don't have to do it. It's very rare, but I can look back at my stream because I do work on the game off stream sometimes, but like sometimes I'll just leave off stream like, okay, I'm going to do this next time. And then I'll go and I'll look at the last minute and be like, oh, that's right. That's what I was working on. I've done that a few times. But yeah. Luckily I have GitHub working. Don't worry about it. I have GitHub going, so I have, you know, my history of shit that I've pushed. I have, you know, the stream, and yeah. So I have ways of tracking what the hell I'm doing. But for some reason, now this is... Does this have engage on it already? No, it has no point. Let's see, let's refresh. Okay. Do you have... No? Okay. Oh, it's working. Good. Engage. So now it's stopped. Oh, there we go. It's going and going away now. Yay! Okay, so now we have an indicator. I don't like the position of the indicator. It's supposed to be on the top. So why are you there? Who said you could be there, indicator? I don't know. It's supposed to be above the image that it's attached to. Huh. Well, if anything, I should at least... Wait, what is this? This is a wall. I'm not even on the right thing. Indicator. Hold on, let me just look for indicator. Oh, sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. Indicator. There we go. I need to up the Z index on this bitch. There we go. I don't mind if it's there. It's not the worst position for an indicator, as long as it's around the item that I'm indicating. Let's update that. So what is it? Indicator icon? To the style sheet. Indicator icon. Z index. I mean, let's not go crazy. But let's do like 4 is pretty high, actually. Try to keep all the Z indexes in a low position. How old am I? I'm 30. What month is it? My birthday's next month. I'm still 36. Still 36 for a little bit. There's a month where me and my wife's age overlap. And makes me happy when we're the same age. And that is next month. Well, that's in 2 days. Her birthday's in 2 days. Sunday. Okay. So with the Z index where it should be, this should be good now. 36. I've been a website programmer for about 20 years. You know, since I was 16. That's when I started working on websites. And started doing website WordPress programming a little over a decade. I kind of like lose track of exactly what year, but I know it was between like 12 and 15 years ago. And this is all WordPress, so yeah, nothing new in my brain. Go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, good. With the Z index there, I feel... Oh, that was weird. Oh no, now everything is an indicator. Why? You shouldn't be an indicator. Oh no. Everything's indicating. Oh. So am I indicating the chair right now and not even the computer? Was that the problem? Is that why it's in a weird position? Oh, it is. Oh, that's funny. All right, now I need to add one more trigger, obviously. So the monitors, they're draggable, but I need them to be a mini game. Yes. Data mini game as well. That is funny. Okay, so I need true and true. Wait, yeah, it's draggable. I look younger? Nice. Appreciate it, Eddie. Well, and you're covered in piercings. Who knows? It's a very young thing. But yeah, appreciate that. Luckily, my genetics, I do not gray as early as most of my friends. You should see my friends that are, around my age. I mean, I'm kind of like, I was young for my grade, but man, they're all white haired. And I'm pretty stressed constantly with work. And, I have 2 kids and a wife and 4 dogs. I mean, I don't know why I haven't gone straight white, my hair or my beard. I don't know. I don't dye it yet. Probably will. You finally got the cat off the table. That's good. Was it over your keyboard? You couldn't type? So I need also, oh my god, there's so many conditionals to make this thing do what I need to. It just needs to not be, it needs to exist. Undefined not equal value.dataset dot minigame. Yeah, that should work. Appreciate it, Eddie. You have an amazing whatever time it is for you. And make sure you're subscribed. Love to have more convos. It's good to keep the conversations going. And eventually, you'll be part of the Discord and we can talk off stream. That's funny. She's like, no, you're typing on me. That's fantastic. All right. Hopefully this works now. Because it's, yeah, data minigame. Okay. Hell yeah. Another one of the books. You're not getting pretty close to the 500 minimum for monetization on YouTube. There we go. Nope, still doing it. And it's, does this have minigame on it? No, it doesn't. Oh, wait. I forgot to add this. There we go. Yeah, pretty close to the monetization goal, though the watch hours are the hard part. I'm about halfway on the watch hours. That's also because I stopped posting videos. That's on me. But I was posting, obviously, mostly shorts back when I was posting every day. So now I just do streams. But I've been thinking about doing some new videos, just kind of like status updates on the game development and the WordPress game engine, kind of introducing people again. What the fuck? Why are these still getting tagged? I guarantee that this equals undefined. Well, let's find out. No, hold on. Value dataset minigame does not equal undefined. This is definitely correct. Yeah. I'm gonna give it one more. I'm so confident in that logic. I'm also gonna clear my cache. What? Okay. I'm wrong. I'm confused as well. So is this not the indicator that I've been wanting to do? No, it is. Okay, hold on. So if draggable's true, no point, blah, 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 blah. You know, I should just do if it's a mini game. I don't even need all this logic. No, I do, because I don't want it to have a indicator until no point. Yes, this is what I need. If it's no point and has a mini game. You got 100 on your math test the other day? Oh yeah, that's fantastic, man. That is fantastic. Let's just do these two, that and that. I think that's that's enough logic. I don't need this many fucking conditionals. This should do it. So if you have no point and minigame is not undefined, let's go. Right? Right. That should be enough. There we go. Ta-da! Good. So now it's like, oh, cool. I can interact with this. Except it won't let me interact with it. Oh no. Why can't I interact with it? Is it because there's something blocking me, and it has something to do with... Oh, is it because I added engage? Let me go double check that logic. Interact. No. Damn it. Here we go. Okay. So is this the logic? Let's see if this is getting hit actually. Because I just need to know if it's part of this logic or part of the logic before this. So I don't go down the rabbit hole. Or the wrong rabbit hole. Hey. Okay. You're just going to constantly do hey. That's not going to help me then. Okay. Forget it. I forgot that I was getting hit constantly. Okay. Well. That's not good. That's the problem with intervals. Constantly running shit for no reason. Okay. Well, let's just check this logic then. Because if this is constantly getting hit, then it's probably getting hit. So it's probably this then. I wonder, is it containing hit? I don't think so. Hit. It has engage. No hit. It is draggable. It is draggable. It's got a data minigame. Yeah, I mean, really the only new thing this engage, but it wasn't working even before that. Just wonder what the fuck is blocking it from working just from the new indicator shit that I added. Like, why would that block interaction? Oh wait, does indicator block hit or something? Maybe. Indicator No, I'm not blocking hit. Interesting. Wait, allow hit. When am I setting that to false? I'm doing that here. Drag item. Uh-huh. I am doing it here. That's only when it's assigned though. That's explainer trigger. Oh no, I am doing it right at the beginning. I'm an idiot. Okay, that's why it's not working. So I need to allow hit. Otherwise the weapon won't overlap. I need to punch my computer in order to interact with it. Let's just double check if this is actually what's breaking it. Yeah, because usually when you're interacting with something, the interaction doesn't require you to punch, I guess. But in my case, I don't think I can reach it unless I punch. Which maybe I'll just update the logic to allow it to not have to be punched. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we figured it out. So in that case, let's this is the indicator. Now the hit, I just need to know if the hit is working. Where's the here we go, overlap. I need to know if this is working. So my guess is it's not. And in that case, I need to change what's triggering it. Hey. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why my weapon is hitting so much stuff. There, right? Well, I tricked the system. Okay, in that case, yeah, so how am I doing this with, like, how am I triggering explainers and stuff? Or focus view? Because I know those have indicators, like signs. Where's signs? Don't remove if a sign. Sign. Indicator dataset sign. Trigger indicator. Apparently, I have a special indicator symbol. I'm setting it. Is that so I know what to trigger? Oh, is that true? I forgot. Was I doing that? Let me see if that's what I'm doing. Engage. Yeah, see, I am doing things. I have it for sign and for cutscene. Oh, let's add it for minigame. I guess that's how I got around having to actually punch it. Indicator data set minigame. And we'll do the same thing here. Well, I'll have to grab, where is it? Where's my, whatever, I'll do it. If minigame and does not equal minigame, engage minigame logic, minigame, I'm guessing, right? Is that how it works? And then indicator, dataset minigame, nothing. Okay, cool. So wait, how am I doing this? Item. Is this like the actual, does it need to be an element? It does. Okay. So it can't just be the word. Okay. And this is the trigger. All right. So this might be impossible. The indicator can't just have the name then. I guess I can get the element by the name. So that's fine. But let's get rid of this, I suppose. I don't need this anymore. Map char. Okay. And trigger indicator. Blah, blah, blah. So we have this. This is my new one. Rise engage, trigger indicator. Okay, cool. That's good. But now I need value. What is the value? I guess I just need the map item name, right? What was the function I was just in? Minigame. Oh, yeah, here we go. So minigame actually needs to be an element. So let's do that, and then we'll do minigame L equals document.query selector, and this is going to be minigame map item, something like that. This is gonna be minigame L. I guess that'll have to do. Okay. Got 100 on my math test. That's so cool. That's a lot of characters. Yeah, Amazon has the longest freaking URLs. Okay, so this should work now. But I need the indicator to actually add this. So how do I do that? Indicator, data set. Indicator to data set. So I'm setting it. Oh yeah, here we go. How am I doing this? Trigger indicator. I'm setting. Oh, I'm saying if it's. Looks like I need to add minigame. Is minigame. equals false. So apparently it's true by default. So I need to do indicate me, so that's the item. I need to do false, false, true. And then let's add this real quick. Is true minigame. Oh, is minigame. Then we need to do that. We need to do. You're gonna head out. Dak, dude, you said you're gonna stay the whole time. Cool, man. Thanks for jumping on. It's good to see you. I'm gonna keep your floater. You didn't? Oh, I thought you did. Maybe that was Indy. Oh, how dare you. And we need mini game equals position name. Right? Yes, yes. No. It's not position name. It's indicate me dot. What is it? No. It's dataset minigame. There you go. Cool. And let's make sure that this is set to nothing as well for the others. Cool. That should work. So now I should have what I need. Well, let's make sure I'm sending the right thing. Is this it? No. Where am I? Triggering indicator. Here? Yeah, minigame. So it says false, false, trigger false, true. There we go. All right, I think we're on to something. Let's double check that the HTML is being updated properly. What was it in? This. Go forth and prosper. All right, indicate. Now, oh shit. Let's see if it's indicating properly. Oh wait, indicator. Okay, minigame. Good. That worked. Go. Yeah, okay. That is not working. Damn it. Okay, so I'm triggering the indicator. Where's the key up shit? Right here. Oh no, that's the triggering it. So this is working. Good. So if that's working. So if that's working. So program your minigame. Wait, program your minigame. Oh. Maybe this is wrong. Minigame L is wrong. Program your minigame map item. Program your blade. That's the minigame trigger. Oh, minigame item. I had the wrong class. Not map item. It's minigame item. Okay, that'll work. Now I know. All right, here we go. Come on, you little bitch. Okay, that's some bullshit. What the fuck? Minigame. Minigame L. These should work. Come on, we just want this to trigger. It worked. That's annoying. Okay. Okay. So that worked. But engaged minigame logic is not working. Oh, fucker. I'm sending the wrong thing. That's why. God damn it. Hold on. I meant to do this. Data minigame. The trigger is what I need to send. God damn it. Oh, I should not put these. Oh, shit. All right. Now let's do it. You know what I haven't done in a long time is change my category on Twitch. That's funny. Yay, it worked. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Syntax error, syntax error, syntax error. Failed to execute. On what? Document? That's weird. Maybe it doesn't like that. If it doesn't exist. Minigame. That. Or false. How about that? Okay, cool. All right. Well, to be honest, I didn't make much progress compared to yesterday. I basically got the indicator working, so that's cool. But that's about it. I didn't really get to work on the minigame yet. Meow. 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 Why did that close? That happened last time too. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I definitely spent some time fixing the minigame logic. It's also not very intuitive. I have part of the logic, like the programming stuff, in the actual taxonomy, which is super strange, and I definitely should not be doing it that way. And then I have this basically taking over the content, which is stupid. What I should do is create some new fields, like image upload fields for the wires, like a repeater field. And then, I mean, this might be fine here, but it's also doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I might leave it. And then I need fields for the binary. I need the text you're going to add. I need the image to upload. But again, this is all very specific logic to my mini game. So I really wanted to create filters to allow me to add this mini game from my theme, which will make it a lot more accessible for other people to add mini games to their game, you know, with their own code without having to touch the plugin. That being said, I don't really know how I want to do that. Because I need to generalize the filter. I need to allow you to basically create fields, you know what I mean, in the minigame custom post type to allow you to, you know, configure your minigame. But like, there's like infinite amounts of ways to do that. So at the end of the day, I'd be creating filters to allow you to add your own custom fields, which is fine, I guess. That's not the end of the world. But then, like, how I'm also going to need to create filters for outputting the mini game into your game as well. So I'm going to have to completely take like this portion, the get minigame HTML. I'll have to add a filter right here. Well, where am I calling this? Right, so it's on load, and then when you go to a new area. So your minigames will come here. I'll need to add a filter here to do what you want with the minigame posts. So basically the filter is a minigame comes in and you add your own HTML. Whatever the fields you have, you know, you'll get the minigame post. And then it'll output on the front end. But that's gonna require styling as well. And what the fuck am I hitting? Oh, I'm hitting the table in front of me. Yeah. I guess that's not a bad idea. Honestly, I mean, I should be adding filters for every HTML type. You know what I mean? To allow people to add onto, you know, the HTML for characters, for items, for cutscenes. You know, if they want to add like specific titles or like extra data or whatever, they could do that. That would definitely make this a lot more accessible. Obviously, my main goal for this is a no-code solution, though, right? Like, I want this to be a no-code solution, RPG Maker. You can do whatever you want. But adding these filters will allow me to make it more specific for my game without having to generalize every single aspect of what I'm trying to do. And it'll help programmers, you know, be able to extend this more. Comes down to how much time I want to put into it, though. Because I'm kind of thinking about just leaving it for now, do the minigame, do the demo, get it out there, allow people to have the exact same minigame as me, basically, with different pictures. The only minigame I offer is going to be programming. Got some cereal? Hell yeah. Great idea. I'm actually thinking about kicking off right now. I got the indicator working, so it goes ahead and allows me to start the minigame, lets you know that it is indicatable. I actually wanted to test if this indicator didn't show, though. Indicator. Because I need this to not show until now. You know what I mean? I also need things to be able to be like triggered when you get close to them and not just touching them. I mean, that's what triggers are for, I guess, but yeah, I gotta think about it. For another time. Oh yeah, for now. Whoop. Minigame shows. And I could push that up, but I don't know. I don't need to yet. I need to get the minigame working first. But I kind of want to restart, but it takes so long to finish like the entire level to get to that one minigame that I don't want to restart it. But I want to see if the indicator is not going to show until I want it to. Because I think the problem, I just remember it, is that it's going to show because I think they all get no hit. Right? I added no hit to them. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe no hit was only for that. They have no point, but do I have no hit? Oh, it's no point. Why did I say no hit? Maybe it's no point. Okay, so no point is one way, and it's always going to have the minigame attached to it. Yeah. I just need a way of knowing that the minigame is ready to be played. Because I don't want you to accidentally put it in place and then trigger the minigame. That would not be good. But I think maybe the minigame isn't actually triggerable until the mission's available, right? No, I guess not. I didn't see any logic built into that. So I have the minigame. Why am I checking the minigame twice? That makes no sense. What the fuck is wrong with me? That was kind of stupid. So I have the minigame mission here. Here's a mission. Oh, I think that's the problem. So I do actually check if the mission is available yet. Okay, so then maybe I am okay then, because this doesn't show up until after you do the whole device shit. Okay, so I think it's good. All right, we can just focus on the minigame then in the next stream. Okay, let's go through the rounds. Eddie, thanks so much for jumping on. Appreciate you thinking I'm a young man when I'm so clearly not. Stanley, thank you as well. Thanks for jumping on. Great questions and good little combos going on. Sawyer, perfect name. That's my favorite dog's name. My black lab is Sawyer. And yeah, maybe I'll see you on Roblox. Who knows? And Indy, always a pleasure, my friend. Hope to see you around more often. I haven't been streaming that often, to be honest, but when I do, hope to see you back. Good luck with school otherwise, and if I don't talk to you, obviously I'm not going to talk to you till next week. Have a great weekend. And Dak, dude, have a great weekend as well. But I will count myself off. 5, 4, 3, 2,